Hello everyone, I am a chartered accountant by profession. This video is basically for those students who are thinking to pursue CA as their career in future. So the entire video would be regarding the CA course from foundation till the final. First of all, the major question arises is why to choose CA as the career. There are various opportunities available after completing this course, and also this course provides you with great recognition. It's in high demand as of now because a lot of chartered accountants are needed. As as and when you will gain the experience more and more in future, your earnings will boost like anything. You can also have a startup. You can start your own business, anything like that. And you have a diverse opportunities after completing it, and we'll discuss that later in this video as well. So let's start with the first step, that is the foundation. It's an entry level exam after 12th, the first level for starting the CA course. Four subjects are there as mentioned. Last two ones are the objective ones, which will be MCQ based but with no negative markings, and their duration for the exams will be only of 2 hours. First two papers are 3 hours each normally. After clearing the foundation stage, like after 8 to 9 months, or like now 3 attempts in a year, so you'll have the next step, CA Intermediate. It will consist of two groups, each group with the three subjects as mentioned in the slide. You can go through it once. As and when you will complete this intermediate stage, clearing all the six papers, you'll have to go articleship. You can do the articleship, that is called internship. Some of you may say that. Either you can do from Big Fours, or you can also join any mid-size small size firm, the domain which you want to join, or any domain in which you want to gain experience, like that. But the articleship tenure would be for 2 years. You'll gain experience, you'll have an experience on Excel as well, and have various opportunities meet with the clients, etc. After completing the articleship, now comes the last and the most prestigious stage, or I would say a little bit tough stage, the final, the ultimate challenge and the pinnacle of achievement, because after completing this, you'll ultimately become a chartered accountant. You have to give 4 exams before appearing for CA final. They are actually set A, set B, set C, and set D. 4 modules are available, and if you want me to discuss about these modules, comment down below for the same. After giving all these sets, passing in the same, you'll be able to sit for CA finals. It has two groups with 3 subjects in each group, as mentioned on the screen. After clearing these 6 papers, the two prestigious letters would be added before your name. A great feeling. Now let's discuss. After that, your slide will contain certain preparation strategies. You can take a screenshot if you want the same for that, and will help you in your journey. After CA, a lot of opportunities would be available for you. A little bit, some of them are mentioned by me. Just go through them once. You'll have a rough idea what you can do after completing the CA. You can start your practice, have go for jobs in Big Fours or any other firm, like that. You can even start your startup. Some are there who have started their YouTube journey. But earning CA designation is not a very easy task. It's like a roller coaster full of highs and lows. Certain tips are mentioned for the same. Just check it out once, have look at glance at it, and you'll know. Now what comes actually is what this course demands. Everything of yours: discipline, dedication, perseverance, belief, a hope, and at the last, hard work, which has no other alternative, compiled with smart work. All the best for your journey. If you like this video, then like, comment, share, subscribe to my channel. Also, comment down below what topic you want me to discuss next in the video.